Every car is precious and requires maintenance to stay in top shape. Welcome to the Car Mechanic and Car Maintenance Level 3 Diploma CPD Certified, where you'll learn how to perform different maintenance procedures to maximize the durability and performance of cars. Here, you'll learn about the most frequent maintenance tasks for a car, such as checking tire pressure, changing a tire, changing oil, and checking the brake system. Cars aren't meant to last forever, but restoration can breathe new life into an older vehicle and make it look as good as new. From our comprehensive training, you'll also learn the activities involved in restoring cars. You'll also discover the safety rules for car maintenance to reduce on-the-job accidents and injuries and maximize productivity. Routine car maintenance is vital to save vehicles from unwanted problems. Join now and climb the repair ladder to increase the lifespan of cars.